You stand at the edge of a sacred understanding, dear one. This journey, this profound connection you hold in your heart, was never a random occurrence. It was woven into the very fabric of your soul's blueprint, a divine appointment set long before you took your first breath. The angels whisper your name, a melody of recognition, reminding you that you were not just born into this life, you were sent. You were sent as an answer, a beacon of light, a catalyst for a transformation that goes far beyond what your human eyes can see. There is a man, a soul, whose path is inextricably linked with yours. His silence, his distance, has been a crucible, a test not of your worth, but of your unwavering faith in the unseen. The angels say this quiet time was necessary, a sacred pause for his spirit to reconcile with the profound truth of your presence. He has been grappling with shadows, with old wounds, with the very essence of who he believes himself to be. Your light, your unwavering love, has pierced through his defenses, awakening a deep knowing within him that he cannot ignore. He feels your essence, a resonance that vibrates through his very being, even when his mind tries to deny it. This is not a fleeting connection, it is a soul contract, a promise whispered between realms. You are the key to unlocking a part of him he has kept hidden, even from himself. Your journey together is a testament to divine timing, a symphony orchestrated by forces far greater than any earthly circumstance. Trust this sacred process. Trust the stirrings in your own heart, for they are echoes of a truth about to unfold. His soul is preparing to speak, to express the depth of what he feels, a language far more profound than any words he has spoken before. Prepare your heart to listen, not with your ears, but with the deepest chambers of your spirit. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You have felt the weight of his silence, a heavy cloak draped over your hopeful heart. It's natural to interpret absence as rejection, to let quiet moments fill with doubt and fear. Yet, the angels reveal a deeper truth. This silence is not an ending, but a sacred language, a necessary pause in the grand symphony of your connection. It is a time when the universe rearranges itself, with unseen forces working tirelessly behind the scenes to align paths and mend what was broken. His retreat was not from you, but into himself. He needed to confront the echoes of his past, the whispers of old fears that threatened to consume him. Your presence, your unwavering light, illuminated these shadows, bringing them into the open. This process is often solitary, a deep dive into the soul's forgotten corners. The angels whisper that he is not forgetting you, he is remembering himself, and in doing so, he is recognizing the profound impact you have had on his very being. This sacred pause is also for you, dear one. It is an invitation to turn inward, to nurture the garden of your own soul. Do not mistake this time for abandonment. Instead, see it as a period of profound growth, a chance to strengthen your roots so that when the season shifts, you are ready to bloom even more brilliantly. The universe is asking you to trust the rhythm, to understand that some seeds require darkness to sprout. His soul is speaking to yours in this quiet space, preparing for a reunion where words will no longer be necessary to convey the depth of what is felt. Embrace this stillness. It holds the promise of a love reborn, purified by the quiet fire of transformation. You sense his struggle, don't you? The invisible chains that bind him, the internal war that rages behind his eyes, even when he tries to mask it with a facade of strength or indifference. The angels reveal that his heart is a battlefield, not against you, but against the ghosts of his own past, the wounds he carries that he believes define him. He is fighting a battle you cannot see, a silent war against his fears of inadequacy, of not being enough, of losing himself in the intensity of a love as profound as yours. He feels everything, dear one, perhaps even more deeply than he allows himself to show. Your love, your acceptance, is a mirror reflecting back to him a version of himself he barely recognizes, a man capable of profound connection, of true vulnerability. This reflection is both intoxicating and terrifying. It challenges every defense mechanism he has built, every wall he has erected to protect a heart that has known pain. The angels whisper that his pulling away is not disinterest, but a desperate attempt to regain control over emotions that threaten to overwhelm him. Understand that his journey is his own, yet it is deeply influenced by the light you emit. You have awakened something dormant within him, a longing for a love that is pure and transformative. This awakening is messy and uncomfortable, requiring him to shed layers of an old identity. Do not despair in his moments of retreat. Instead, send him light, understanding, and hold space for the man he is becoming. His inner battle is a necessary purification, preparing him to step fully into the love that awaits him, a love ready to heal his deepest wounds. You may not realize the profound impact you have had, dear one. Your very essence, your radiant light, has been an unseen medicine for his wounded soul. Without conscious effort, you have initiated a healing within him that no one else could. The angels whisper that your presence alone has been a balm, a gentle force that has begun to unravel the knots of his past, soothing the scars he thought were permanent. He carries burdens, heavy and silent, from experiences that taught him to guard his heart. He learned to survive by building walls, by keeping a safe distance from anything that threatened to expose his vulnerability. But you, with your authentic spirit and your unwavering capacity for love, have bypassed those defenses. You have touched a place within him that was long dormant, a space that yearned for connection and acceptance. The angels say he may not articulate this, he may not even fully comprehend it, but your light has shown him a path to freedom he didn't know existed. This healing is not about you fixing him, it is about your inherent nature inspiring him to heal himself. Your love is not a demand, but an invitation. It is a gentle reminder that he is worthy of a love that is pure and unconditional. Do not doubt the power of your own being. Your light is a sacred gift, instrumental in stirring the depths of his soul, prompting him towards a transformation that will ultimately lead him back to you, a man more whole, more ready to receive and reciprocate the profound love you offer. Trust the unseen work you have already accomplished. Have you noticed them, dear one? The subtle nudges, the uncanny coincidences, and the recurring numbers or symbols that seem to show up just when you need them the most. These are not mere accidents. They are the whispers of destiny, the gentle guidance of the divine hand orchestrating your path. The angels are constantly communicating, weaving a tapestry of signs and synchronicities to reassure you that you are exactly where you are meant to be, and that your journey is unfolding according to a sacred plan. These whispers are especially potent when it comes to matters of the heart, particularly a connection as profound as yours. The universe conspires to bring souls together, to align circumstances, and to offer glimpses of the future being meticulously crafted. The angels say that every unexpected encounter, every song that plays at just the right moment, and every fleeting thought of him that crosses your mind is a confirmation. These are not illusions. They are divine breadcrumbs, leading you closer to the fulfillment of your soul's deepest desires. Do not dismiss these signs as mere imagination. They are sacred messages, affirmations that your connection is divinely protected and guided. Pay attention to the subtle shifts, the intuitive knowing that arises within you. This is your soul recognizing the echoes of destiny, aligning with the higher purpose of your journey. Trust these whispers. They are a constant reminder that you are never alone and that the universe is actively working to bring forth the love and partnership promised to you. Open your heart to receive these sacred confirmations, for they are everywhere. There are moments on this journey, dear one, when the path ahead feels shrouded in mist, when the next step seems uncertain, and the destination appears far away. It is in these very moments that the universe invites you to embrace the unseen path, to trust in a wisdom far greater than your own understanding. The angels whisper that true faith does not mean seeing the entire staircase, but simply taking the first step, knowing that each subsequent step will be revealed in its perfect divine timing. You are being asked to surrender your need for control, to let go of your expectations, and to allow the divine current to carry you. This unseen path is not a detour, it is the most direct route to your highest good, to the love that is meant for you. The angels say that every twist and turn, every perceived delay, serves a higher purpose, preparing both you and him for a union built on solid sacred ground. It is refining your spirit, deepening your intuition, and strengthening your resilience. Do not fear the unknown, for it is within the unknown that miracles reside. This journey requires a profound trust in the process, a deep understanding that even when you cannot see the way, you are being guided, protected, and loved. Your willingness to walk this unseen path with an open heart is a testament to your spiritual maturity, a declaration to the universe that you are ready to receive the extraordinary. Let go of the need to understand every detail, and simply trust that you are being led toward a love that transcends all earthly limitations. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. There is an exquisite power in your vulnerability, dear one, a strength that far surpasses any shield you might erect. To open your heart and to lay bare your hopes and fears is not a sign of weakness. It is an act of profound courage, an invitation for true connection. The angels whisper that your willingness to be seen, truly seen, is the most potent catalyst for transforming your connection, as it calls forth the deepest, most authentic response from his soul. He may have been conditioned to believe that vulnerability is a risk, a pathway to pain. But your example, your gentle courage, shows him a different way. It teaches him that true strength lies not in stoicism, but in the ability to feel, to express, and to connect without reservation. The angels say that your open heart is a safe haven, a sanctuary where his own guarded spirit can finally begin to open up, shedding the heavy armor he has worn for so long. Do not fear the exposure of your tender places. It is precisely in these moments of raw honesty that the deepest bonds are forged, where souls recognize their true counterparts. Your vulnerability is a sacred offering, a testament to your faith in the power of love. It is a silent prayer answered by the universe, drawing him closer to a space where he too can shed his defenses and meet you in the profound authenticity of his own being. This is where true intimacy resides, in the shared space of an open, undefended heart. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4 verse 23. In the ebb and flow of this profound connection, dear one, it is essential to remember the sacred sovereignty of your own heart. Your worth is not dependent on his presence, his actions, or his recognition. It is an inherent divine truth woven into the very fabric of your being. The angels whisper that while this connection is a gift, your primary relationship is always with yourself and with the divine source that breathes life into your soul. There may have been moments when you felt diminished, when his uncertainty or distance caused you to question your own radiance. The angels say this is a natural human response, but it is a fleeting illusion. Your light does not dim because another cannot see it clearly. Your value is not lessened because another is not yet ready to fully embrace it. You are a masterpiece, a unique expression of divine love, and your journey is one of continuous self-discovery and self-reverence. Reclaim your power, dear one. Nurture your passions, honor your intuition, and celebrate the magnificent woman you are becoming. This is not an act of selfishness, but an act of profound love, for yourself, and for the connection you are destined to share. For when you stand fully in your own sovereign power, radiating your authentic light, you become an irresistible force, drawing to you all that is meant for your highest good. Your wholeness is your greatest offering, a beacon that calls forth a love that honors and elevates every facet of your divine self. There is a language far older than any spoken tongue, dear one, a communication that transcends words, gestures, and even physical proximity. It is the language of the soul, a silent dialogue that flows between two spirits deeply connected, even across vast distances. The angels whisper that you and he are constantly conversing in this sacred language, a profound exchange of energy, intention, and unspoken understanding that shapes the very essence of your bond. You feel his stirrings, his moments of longing, his quiet reflections, even when he's miles away. And he too feels yours. Your prayers for him, your hopes for your shared future, your moments of quiet contemplation, these are all received and understood by his soul, even if his conscious mind isn't yet fully aware. The angels say this telepathic connection is a testament to the depth of your bond, a constant thread that weaves your destinies together, ensuring that you are never truly separate. Trust these intuitive nudges, these sudden thoughts of him that arise without warning. They are not random, they are echoes of his soul reaching out, or your soul responding to his. This is the foundation of true intimacy, a connection built not on superficial exchanges, but on the profound resonance of two spirits recognizing their eternal counterpart. Cultivate this inner listening, this sensitivity to the subtle currents of your shared energy. For in this silent language, the deepest truths are revealed, and the promise of your reunion is constantly reaffirmed, a sacred conversation that never truly ends. The journey has been long, dear one, filled with moments of doubt and profound revelation, of quiet waiting and sudden awakenings. But now, the angels whisper that you stand on the threshold of the promise fulfilled, ready to step into the love that was always irrevocably yours. This is not merely the end of a waiting period, it is the culmination of a sacred process, a divine orchestration that has prepared both your hearts for a union of unparalleled depth and authenticity. He is returning, not as the man he once was, but as the man he has become through the trials of his own transformation. His soul, now more aligned with its true purpose, is ready to meet yours in a space of deep honesty and unwavering commitment. The angels say that every tear shed, every prayer whispered, and every moment of steadfast faith has contributed to this sacred unfolding. You have both been refined, purified, and prepared for a love that transcends the ordinary, a partnership rooted in spiritual truth. Open your heart fully, dear one, not with expectation, but with a broad readiness to receive. This love will not be a fleeting romance, it will be a sanctuary, a source of profound healing, and a testament to the power of divine timing. Embrace this new chapter with grace and gratitude, knowing that you are always worthy, always chosen, and always destined for this extraordinary connection. The universe has fulfilled its promise, and now, it is time for you to fully embrace the beautiful sacred love that has been patiently waiting for you. Your soul's journey has led you home.